Welcome everyone, today we are going to walk through the steps to delete a Snapchat story. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're enjoying the content, a thumb up would be much appreciated. Let's dive right in. Have you ever found yourself in a panic trying to quickly delete a story from Snapchat that you accidentally posted? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let me show you how it's done. Firstly, I'll take a snap and post it to my story to demonstrate the deletion process. There we go. It's now live on my story, but fear not, we will remove it in no time. To delete your story, don't head straight to the stories page. Instead, navigate to the top left corner and tap on your story icon or Bitmoji. This will open your Snap profile. Scroll down until you find My Stories, then select My Story. Here you will see your active stories listed. Choose the one you want to delete by tapping on it to expand. Now there are two ways to delete it. First, you can long press on the story, which will prompt the option to delete Snap. Confirm your action and it's gone. Alternatively, you can tap on the story and then select the arrow at the bottom for the more options. From there, tap delete and confirm. Just like that, your story is deleted. And there you have it, two simple methods to delete your Snapchat story. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like. And thank you for watching and peace out.